Do you dream of achieving financial freedom? Do you aspire to live a life filled with purpose, fulfillment, and prosperity? Do you long to become the best version of yourself? In this book, you will uncover the keys to success, happiness, and wealth. No matter your background or current circumstances, financial prosperity is within your reach. This book provides a clear step-by-step guide to achieving your dreams of wealth. All you need to do is follow the principles and practices laid out within these pages. The life you desire is closer than you think, but to reach it, you must adopt a certain mindset, cultivate gratitude for what you have, and extend that gratitude to others. Strive to be of service to those around you. By embracing the concepts in this book, nothing will stand in your way of becoming wealthy. Stay with me until the end of this journey to discover how you can turn your thoughts into riches and live the life you've always imagined. Your path to wealth and happiness starts now. Is it wrong to desire wealth? Who wouldn't want a comfortable, abundant life? The truth is, there's nothing wrong with dreaming of such a life. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about having the resources to develop your body, mind, and soul. Only those who achieve financial success can reach their full potential. To maintain a healthy body, you need food, clothing, shelter, and rest, all of which require wealth. To nourish your mind, you need to read inspiring books, travel the world, and appreciate art. But to do these things, you need money. To keep your soul pure, you need love and the ability to care for others. To be a good partner, parent, and citizen, wealth is essential. The potential to be rich exists within everyone, and this book will show you how to unlock that potential so you can live life to the fullest. If you follow the steps in this book, your dream of becoming wealthy can become a reality. The science behind it is simple. You need to do things in a specific way. It doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. If you apply these principles, you can undoubtedly achieve financial success. You don't have to be born into wealth to attain it. If that were the case, everyone in one place would be rich, while everyone in another would be poorer. But that's not how it works. Even in developing countries where poverty is widespread, some people manage to live extraordinarily wealthy lives. Why? Consider two individuals, Mr. A and Mr. B, who live in the same town and run similar businesses. Mr. A becomes wealthy, while Mr. B remains in the same place. Why? The answer lies in their approach, not their environment. Wealth doesn't come from where you are, it comes from doing things in a certain way. Is becoming wealthy a matter of unique talent or skill? Think about Mr. X and Mr. Y, both highly skilled carpenters, yet Mr. X becomes wealthy while Mr. Y stays in the same position. This shows that wealth isn't about talent alone. It's about applying the principles of wealth creation, doing things in a certain way, and taking effective steps. It doesn't matter where you are in life, what job you hold, whether you have money or not, or whether you have wealthy connections. Despite your circumstances, you can achieve wealth by following the steps in this book and fulfilling your dreams. It's a misconception to say that all the luxuries of the world are monopolized by a few, leaving the rest in poverty. The truth is, there are abundant resources and opportunities for everyone. The universe is filled with untapped potential, a formless substance that can be harnessed for our benefit. You have the power to shape this formless energy into whatever you desire. This energy can be transformed into the things you want to achieve, making you wealthy. The first principle in the science of getting rich is learning how to create what you desire from this formless substance. The key lies in your thoughts, in your imagination. Everything you use today, from the chair you're sitting on to the smartphone you use, began as an idea in someone's mind. Humans are powerful thinkers, yet we have only begun to understand the full potential of our thoughts. The first principle in the science of getting rich is that there is a formless substance that fills the entire universe. The second principle is that our thoughts can shape this formless substance. The third principle is that anyone can transform this formless substance into what they desire through their thoughts. If you truly want something, you need to think about it in such a way that it will come to you. Keep a clear image of that thing in your mind. See it, feel it, and touch it in your imagination. Think as if you have already achieved it. Focus intently on that idea, and never doubt it. In this way, your thought will give form to the formless substance, and in time, that thing will be yours. Similarly, if you want to become wealthy, don't dwell on poverty. If you see yourself as healthy, you will not fall ill. There is immense power in positive thinking, so always keep the thought of wealth in your mind. If you see yourself as rich, you will become rich. If you see yourself as poor and helpless, that will be your fate. Believe in yourself, and one day, your dreams will come true. Never allow doubt to creep in, no matter the circumstances. Never give up, and always believe that you will achieve wealth. To have everything you want in life, you need to become wealthy. To live life fully, you need financial success. Have you heard of Maslow's hierarchy of needs? It states that basic human needs include food, clothing, and shelter, followed by security needs. Once these needs are met, a person can reach their full potential. To fulfill these basic needs, you need money. Therefore, the desire to become wealthy is a desire to become the best version of yourself. It's a desire for happiness, success, and the ability to give and receive love. And who wouldn't want that? The universe wants you to be wealthy because only then can you become a better instrument for helping others. Nature has an abundance of resources to offer, far beyond what we can imagine. This is something you must keep in mind. Your dream of becoming wealthy is not just yours. It is also the will of the universe. Your purpose is to create, not to destroy. You should seek wealth not out of greed or for mere pleasure, but to be of service to others. You must take care of your body, soul, and mind, and for this, you need to be wealthy. You need to use your wealth to properly provide for your food, clothing, and shelter. You need to become wealthy to travel the world and learn new things. You need to become wealthy to seek the truth. You need to become wealthy so that you can love others, spread love, and do good deeds. The goal of becoming wealthy is not about competition, but about creation. Deception, theft, and exploitation are completely wrong. You have no right to what is not yours. Money earned through competition does not bring true happiness and often doesn't last because such money is with you today and maybe with someone else tomorrow. Therefore, don't engage in competition. What is yours will remain yours because there is no shortage of formless substance in this universe. So how do riches come to you? How do you transform the formless substance into reality? The answer lies in the power of your thoughts. For example, suppose you need a sewing machine. First, create a clear image of the sewing machine in your mind. Think about every detail. Then imagine that the sewing machine has already come to you. Believe that it is yours. Don't doubt it. Just have faith that you already possess the sewing machine. The formless substance will find a way to bring the sewing machine to you. It might not happen immediately, but if your purpose is to improve your life and the lives of others, the universe will ensure that the sewing machine reaches you. You just need to believe. There was once a man named Bill who lived a simple life as a daily wage earner. He barely made enough to secure 3 meals a day and wore the same clothes to work every day. One day, he decided to ask the universe for a new mat to sleep on and a coal stove for the winter. Bill followed the principles outlined in this book. He had a clear image of the stove and the mat in his mind and never doubted for a second that he would get them. And what happened? A few months later, Bill was able to buy a mat and a stove because he received a bonus for his excellent performances with at work. This success inspired Bill to dream bigger. What if he imagined owning a house? This time, he visualized every detail of the house, from the placement of windows to the arrangement of furniture. He began living as if his house was already built. As a result, his performance at work improved, and he took better care of his health. He woke up early each morning and started his day with a positive attitude. Within a few years, Bill purchased his own house. He also dreamed of having a loving family, and that dream came true as well. Today, Bill is wealthy because he never doubted his dreams. Gratitude is essential. Be grateful for all the abundance you receive. By doing so, you maintain a positive relationship with the formless substance and the universe. Many wealthy people who were ungrateful eventually lost their wealth. Never stop expressing gratitude, even when you have achieved success. If you want to become wealthy, cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Be thankful for your job, even if it's not your dream job. Appreciate the things you have and the people in your life. Remember, your wealth is not just yours. It is a blessing from the universe. As you practice gratitude, you will attract more abundance into your life. Never focus on what is missing in your life. Be content with what you have while working toward your goals. By concentrating on the positive, you create a magnetic force that draws more positive things to you. If you constantly think about what you lack, you will attract more lack. But if you focus on what you have and express gratitude for it, you will attract more abundance. This is the law of attraction, and it is a vital component of becoming wealthy. In conclusion, the science of getting rich is not just about accumulating money, it's about developing yourself to your fullest potential. By understanding and applying the principles in this book, you can achieve both wealth and happiness. Remember, wealth is not just about money. It's about having the resources to live a full and meaningful life. By doing things in a certain way, you can transform your thoughts into riches and live the life of your dreams. The power to become wealthy lies within you, and the universe is ready to help you achieve your goals. So, start today. Think positively, express gratitude, and believe in yourself. Your journey to wealth and happiness begins now.